Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss two tone mining bots that you can mine and withdraw from. It's totally free. You don't need to invest. You can only invest if you want to invest, so the choice is yours. But before we continue, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, share this video. If you want to get more updates like this, you can join my Telegram channel. The link will be on the description box, both the both link. So now let's continue. So the first one is pirate. Here you get to mine. It's always 24 hours, so every 24 hour you get 100 gold every day. So every 24 hours you have to claim 100 gold daily. You can also come here to the task session to complete few tasks and also get gold. So when you join their channel, you receive 100 gold. When you join their community, you receive 100 gold. This is where you can get information on them. So when you claim up to 1000 gold, you receive 200 gold. So anything you do, you receive reward under it. So the next one is crew. You can invite your friends to mine with you. Here you can withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is 10,000 gold, which is 1 ton. We all know that ton have increased in value now. So 1 ton is now $3. 1 ton is $3. So it's the right time to pack your ton. So the minimum withdrawal is 10,000 gold, which is 1 ton, and in USDT is $3. So when you have up to 10,000 gold, you can now withdraw to your wallet. Just come here, click on connect. If you're making use of Tonekeeper or my Tone wallet, these are the two I can recommend. So I'm using Tonekeeper. I'll just click on Tonekeeper to connect my connect. So let's go back. So it's now connected. If I now want to withdraw, all I have to do is to put the amount of gold that I want to withdraw, and I will request my withdrawal. So this is the second one. This one is kind of complicated if you're not well informed. As you can see, my health value is decreasing and my energy value is also decreasing. This is where you can see it. So if you register newly like me, your capacity, your daily capacity, to only hold 24 token. When it's mine and is up to 24, you can come and claim it. So you can increase the capacity or increase the mining speed or increase the time, because the time is only 1 hour. So every 1 hour you come and claim, every 1 hour you come and claim. That's how they did it doing this bot. So if you want to increase your hours, you can just come here to upgrade. The upgrade costs 130 token. So you can upgrade from 1 hour to 90 minutes. So you can use the token that you mined already to upgrade. So you don't really need to invest your own money in it. You can use the one that you mined from and upgrade. So the next one is the mining speed. Costs 200 token. So you can increase your mining rate from 0.01 every second to 0.02. You can come here to increase it with the one that you have already mined already. The next one is the capacity. It can only hold 24. So if you upgrade your storage, it will be holding 48. So anytime you want to claim, you're going to claim 48 instead of 24, and the cost is 120 token. So you can, this is how to upgrade. And another thing is very important. If you want to increase your health energy and your normal energy, you just click on repair under here, and here. This is where you can claim your earning and also start it. No, you come here to claim and you come here to start. So now, assuming my energy is low, I advise us to watch ad to upgrade. Don't use your token to upgrade. Come here, click on add watch. to upgrade it. Don't use your token so that your token will not be decreasing. The same thing goes to the antivirus. Watch out to increase your antivirus so that virus will not enter your bot. The next one is the energy. Use ad to watch it. And if you register on this bot, you'll be seeing a lot of ads on it. Go to your settings, your phone settings, to turn off your ad. If you want to get the prompt of turning off the ad, you can join my Telegram channel. I'll be dropping it there. When you drop the prompt in your settings, it will disconnect all ad from your phone, so you will not be watching ads again. Here you can come to start your bot. If you want to withdraw, click here at the money side, click on mask. 100 token is one tone in this one. So if you have 100 token, you can withdraw one tone, and where you can withdraw to is your Cwallet. The link of Cwallet will also be on the description box. Click on it, register. The Cwallet is only wallet that you required to withdraw from on this boat. So that's all for this. I think we all understood it now. If you still don't, join my Telegram channel, and I'll also drop the daily reminder on how you can do some certain things on these Telegram miners. Thank you.